Hi, I'm Jacob.
And I'm Tessa, and we are part of the GEO 109 class. Here is our map. This map shows collected data from the 2010 US Census, and it displays the number of paid logging and forestry employees per California county. We have chosen a green color and a color hue due to the fact that we're talking about logging and forestry industries, so that has to do with trees and greenery. We decided to use the map mode of quantile, which provided equal breaks because this mode allowed us to get the most accurate representation of our data and display the number of employees per county, as you can see with the legend over here on the side and how many employees are per county with the certain color spectrum. Additionally, there are some counties of California that do not provide any data from the US 2010 census about logging and forestry plants in all the counties. Therefore, the white represents the counties in California that do not have that data. So we decided to add that second layer to our map of just the counties of California underneath so we could have all the counties total on the map.
We decided to compare our map of the logging employees in each county to the amount of wildfires that happened in each county in 2007. We expected to find that the color densities on the counties would be similar, considering the amount of trees that need to be logged would also be fuel for wildfires. Shasta County and San Bernardino County, Shasta County being up here in the north and San Bernardino County being down here in the south, they both have high numbers of forest fires and high numbers of logging. How do I get to just click right here? Okay. They both have high numbers of logging employees and wildfires, but there was something that didn't line up with our data, and that was Riverside County. Riverside County has no loggers, but had the highest number of wildfires in 2007. And we determined that this was because Joshua Tree National Park and San Bernardino National Forest are there. The National Forest can't be logged, and Joshua Tree wouldn't have a climate to grow trees for logging, which we thought was interesting because it had the highest amount of wildfires in 2007. So our map was intended for anybody who might be looking for future employment in logging. I'm a forestry major, so that's a very good possibility. So that's why we chose it.
So based off this map, there are people who can see what kind of pay they would be getting in certain counties in California if they go into the logging and forestry industries. Thank you.